Okay, let's start. We're gonna draw shapes, but the message said how many sides you want to draw. Depending on your answer, you got the shape. You're gonna use the pen. Bend down only once. And then there is repeat loop, repeating the answer. It depends on the answer. How many sides you want to draw. For example, if I want to draw a square, I should write 4 sides. So the answer is going to be repeated 4 times because the square got 4 sides. And then the pen is going to move 50 steps, turn 36 degree, depending or divided by the degree. Like if the answer is 4, it's going to be 36 divided by 4. Okay, so let's start grid 5 or Scratch. Open Scratch. Let me close this, reduce the amount of tabs. Go create. Oh, I need to sign in. When I'm signing in grid 5, I make sure that I can share my project. And my project is going to be saved in my device. So let's choose a nice background. You need email. Use your mom email, ya Ma'ab. It will work, inshallah. Use your parents' email. You can choose any spirit. Do we have pen spirit? Let me see. I didn't test that. Yes, we have pencil. Okay, let me choose this pencil. I don't want to code the scratch, so I'm gonna delete it. Bye bye, Cathy. Click on the delete icon and then go yes. I'm gonna draw with this pen. Okay, so let's add extension. Choose a background. Choose any spirit. Hurry up, grade 5. Done. I go spirit, add a spirit, and then I write, instead of searching, I just type pen, P-E-N. I got penguins, by the way, because I searched with pen. And I got the pen, the pencil. So as you can see, when I move the pointer, I can see the spirit costume. Switch it to next costume. Okay, so choose any patterns. For the backdrop, I choose the patterns. I choose this heart shape. I suggest use patterns background in grade 5. Add extension. Add the pen. Sorry. Add the pen as extension. We got the pen command over here. Okay. So let's start. Are you with me, the others? Rivan and Ma'ab Ahmed. Okay, alhamdulillah. Green flag. Okay. And then ask a question. The question's in sensing blocks. Sensing. Go to sensing blocks and ask this question. And instead of asking what is your name, I'm gonna ask how many sides. Type the question, how many sides? Okay. How many sides you want to draw? How many sides? And then bend down. So go back to your bend blocks. When I do the command bend down, it means the scratch is going to hold the pen. Now the command, like the script, describes that to hold the pen. Repeat loop. Go to control. Always repeat in control loop, grade 5. Repeat. How many times should I repeat it? It depends on the answer. So go back to sensing. Bring the answer block. Put it inside the repeat, grade 5. So the repeat is depending on the answer. If you write 3 sides, you get a triangle shape, and the answer is going to be repeated 3 times. If you write 6 sides, the answer is going to be repeated 6 times. So the repeat loop depends on your answer. Both answer and question in the sensing blocks. Go to sensing, you will find the question and the answer. Okay? Okay, grade 5? Done? Kadi, Rivan, Ahmed, Ma'ab, all done? Okay. Go back to motion. Move 50 steps. And instead of 10, make it 55, 0. Yes? 50 steps. So the pen is going to move 50 steps. And then turn. This is turn to the right. As you can see, the arrow move to my right hand. It depends on your grade 5. This is your hand, not my hand. Turn to the right, your right side. So this one. Do not go to this one. This is left. This is turn to the right. Put it down a little bit. So let me explain for you. What is going to turn like we go to operators. Remember when we do addition and subtraction and division? These operators like the Scratch can do a simple calculation for you. I can do addition, I can add two numbers, I can subtract. By the way, I have in my TikTok channel and my YouTube channel, I have Magic Math with the Scratch course. You can watch it and you can get use from that. It's very useful course and it's free, by the way, so you can watch it. This is division sign. This is plus sign to add, this minus to subtract, this is star sign to divide, and this sign to divide. So drag and drop the division. Divide what by what? I need to draw shapes, and these shapes is going to be like turned like 360 times. 360 times. So write 360. Right here 360. Are you with me, grade 5? Divided by the answer. Divided by the answer. So I have to go back to main sensing and divide it by the answer. Okay? So any number that is written as the answer is going to be divided by 360. So I'm gonna drag and drop this block over here. Are you with me? You find the operators, you find the division one. By the way, there is a big greater than and less than and equal. Okay, and there is also like join two things together. These are like advanced operators in grade 5, and it depends on the variable. Okay, so we use it like for games. Okay, mashallah, wait for me, Siba. Okay, wait for me. So let's run the command. Go to your full screen, and then let's start it. How many sides? I want to make like 4 sides. I want a square. I click 4, and then I click enter. Now I got a square. Why it's very small? You can change its size. Yes, yes, of course. Run. I want to draw a triangle, 3 sides. How many sides do you want to draw? I got a triangle. So it's like done in the same shape. Me too, I like it. Don't forget to save your project. I'm gonna name it shape. A shape. Grade 5. Send your project in Telegram. Grade 5. I'm waiting for you, by the way. Let me stop recording.